अब 111 नंबर पर टोंक से रिदम कपूर।
हमारा संविधान, हमारा स्वाभिमान. Cordial greetings to one and all present here. I, Ridham Kapoor from District Tong, is extremely thankful to you all for giving me the opportunity to speak on the topic 75 years of Indian Constitution. India is regarded as the mother of democracy. After breaking the shackles of slavery, our Indian constitutional makers put forth a set of rules which we call Constitution. Our Constitution is not only a document, but it is a living document that helps us to evolve our country. It is a progressive document that helps in achieving the goals of fraternity, sovereignty, social and secular thoughts. Before our constitution was jotted down, there were several other constitutions that were studied and read. But our constitution is not a copy-paste. Instead, it reflects the spirit or soul of our civilization. Till today, our constitution is evolving. It is evolving through amendments, and these amendments are not unlawful because our constitution gives us this right under the Article 368. The first amendment that was made in India was in the year 1951 for the states in order to empower the socially and economically backward classes. Today in India, we have witnessed that more than 100 of amendments have taken place. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee once told that एक देश में दो विधान, दो प्रधान, दो निशान नहीं चलेंगे, which was proven true after the removal or abolishment of the Article 370. This actually helped in bringing the equality for those who were discriminated since ages. It also helped in empowering the women, which is a part of human governance. Human governance actually includes all the subjects that is related to the well-being of the human. Moving forward, if I talk about the rights and the duties, rights and duties are the phases of the same coin. This can also be explained by two amendments, Amendment 42nd and Amendment 44th. Amendment 42nd actually increased the power of executives and decreased that of the judiciary, which resulted in rights, and rights resulted in emergency, and emergency resulted in encroachment of the fundamental rights. But as soon the government changed Amendment 44,